In this video, I'll show you how to post a live photo as a boomerang on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app and swiping right to access the Stories feature. If you'd like to create a boomerang for your story, tap the infinity symbol on the left, then tap the gallery icon at the bottom left corner. Locate a live photo with the infinity loop symbol and tap it. Next, tap the boomerang icon at the top to convert the live photo into a boomerang. If you want to share the boomerang as a regular post, open your camera roll, find the live photo, and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Save as Video to create a video version of the live photo. Now head back to Instagram, tap the plus icon to create a new post, and select the video you just saved. From here, you can add filters, music, and other effects to enhance your boomerang before posting it as a regular Instagram post. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.